welcome to my channel. I recently filmed a makeup tutorial and I accidentally deleted my intro. But anyway, in that video I did a very bronzy, kind of smoky eye look using the Morphe 3502. So if you want to see how I did that look, please keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing I am using is my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk as a base. And then I am taking Orb from the Morphe palette and I'm using it as my transition shade. Next, I am taking Chestnut and I am going to blend that into the crease. Going back with the transition shade. And once again with Chestnut. And now I am going in with In the Zone just to blend the colors in. Then I am going back with Chestnut. Muddy. I am going to darken it. And then using Orb again, Chestnut, just going back and forth with the colors. Now I am going to take Zippy and I am going to put it on my lid. And now I am using my NYX matte liquid liner and I am making a wing. I am applying false lashes and now I am priming my skin. And then I am using my Naked by Urban Decay foundation and I am blending it out. Now I am taking my Fit Me concealer and I am going to blend it out with a sponge. I did miss some spots, but I have really bad lighting in my room and I had to use flash, so I couldn't see. Okay, now I am taking this contour shade and I am going to buff it out with my bronzer brush. Now I am taking my chocolate bronzer from Too Faced and I am bronzing my face. Now taking my MAC blush in Warm Soul and then I am taking this NYX primer, but it was really glittery and I really liked it for my inner corner. And then I am taking my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills and I am going to highlight. That of course was not enough, so I needed some more highlight and now I am blinding. So that was my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please follow me on Instagram at girlynatalie.xo1, on Twitter at girlynatalie. Please hit that thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.